Hello everyone, welcome to another part in chair modeling beginners tutorial. So in this tutorial we will apply bevel modifier. So after that I need to enable screencast key to have better view of my shortcuts that I use in this tutorial. So I need first to delete the top faces because I don't need it. So and these faces will not be appear in the render, so I will not let it here, so I will delete it. So select it and delete. So now I need to apply bevel modifier, but after every bevel modifier or any modifier in Blender you need to apply something, which is the scale. So to apply the scale you need to go to select your object, then go to object and in apply your scale. For example, if you can use a shortcut, use Control A and apply your scale. So I will show you why, because if I go to item, then scale, you see here that the original scale of this object is 0.505. This is the values here is the original scale of our object. So if I want to clear the scale and click Alt S, the object will be big and return to the original scale because this scale it's not the origin. So I need to make this small scale as the original. So I need to apply the scale, Control A, then apply the scale. Also you can apply the rotation and the position and so on. So I can apply all like this and make all these values default for this object. So I need to move to applying the bevel modifier. So in the properties tab, we have different tabs here, and one of them is the modifier properties. So I need to click on it and go to add modifier and add in generate, add bevel modifier. So in bevel modifier, as you see here, we have different methods. So we have limit methods, and limit method we have angle, weight, and vertex group. So in this case we will use angle and weight, but first is the weighted limited method. So I will click weight to have better control of my bevel. So because I have two different bevels in my object, so in these two front edges, this and this are very rounded, so I need to control it a little bit. So I will enter to the edit mode, and in the edge mode I will click on these edges and I will click N to appear this to this edges data and increase the mean bevel weight like this, and going to the segments, let the amount as it is, and the segments increase it to maybe 6 to have a smooth and smooth roundness. So I need to increase it a little bit like this, and good. Now I need to apply another bevel for the other edges. So apply a bevel like this and decrease the amount of the bevel to 0.02. With my experiment, I think that 0.02 is better for this situation. So increase the segment to 3 like this. And as you see here, the shading is flat. So we need to make it smooth. So select your object and click shade smooth. Click in the right mouse button. Then you have this option called shade smooth like this. When you apply this shade smooth, you need to apply another stuff like auto smooth. As you see here, we have some problems in the shading here. You see here from this angle we have problems in shading, so we need to fix that. So first of all, I need to go to the geometry in this and change the mirror outer to touch. Then in the shading, I need to apply harden normal here. As you see here, they need to apply auto smooth. So to apply auto smooth, you need to go to select your object, then go to mesh or object data properties here, and go to normals, then enable auto smooth. We still have a problem, so I need to go to the second bevel, and in the shading I need to apply harden normals. But we still have a problems in the shading, so here comes the magic modifier, which is weighted normal. So when we apply a weighted normal, we have a great shading, as you see here in our object. So this is our modifiers for this part. So I hope you like it. I guess if you have a question, let me in the comments. If you like the video, subscribe and like, and see you in the next part. Have a nice day.